Don't tell a lie on the gal fudgy. Watch it boom, don't spy on the gal tappy. And don't this a mother fin a gal. Everybody sitting that.
Viewers and subscribers, so Governor dropped the anticipated song entitled Girl's Class. One thing about Governor music, him always be creative. Viewers and subscribers, we get a message like a man's for. Governor has sent a message to all of the man them out there where them heart soft to woman. So people we like our governor always a feature the comedian them. And people a selector boom boom do the intro. So we are going to jump in at the intro and make you hear what take place in this song. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on post notification so whenever I have a new upload, you are the first one to know. So viewers and subscribers, Selector Boom Boom do the intro. So Selector Boom Boom are the principal. So Boom Boom I say yo, some man need to stop call man name to the woman them. I have a lot of man out there. I saw them turn.
If you look the girl and stop call up bad man name. And stop tell life on the girl them body parts. Some man need to go back.
So people have to big up governor upon this intro. The intro here it bad. So people have some man out there. Them with a look at woman and just a call up a name. Just a try for black ear traffic. And them also a black for them traffic.
Strike force.
Girl's class, look, learn and excel. Girl thief, graduate, girl clone, get expelled. Any boy you say love, so like.
So people, governor play the role as the teacher in this video. So viewers and subscribers, governor say until a girl thief can get for graduate. You see the girl clone them for get expelled. You have some man who love so. Them love call up man name. Them man they me can't teach them no less no until a girl can get my teaching. And that's how a governor has say. So people must continue.
Girl, I be a lie pan girl pussy them tell. Man I war over woman and get him head shell. Now another man a broke in a dark like eggshell.
So people, governor attack about some set a man will love tell lie on the woman them front. Governor attack about some man we will war for them girl anyway and a different man a banging belly. So people, governor say yo, him no want them set a man there in him class until a girl is him want in him class. And that governor tell film student them. So people must continue.
Now hear me pretty because of Rachel, you must see mad boy. Get this in your brain cell. Don't want your friend up on a girl.
So people, governor a teach him student them say them not to war them friend over no girl. And people, you have some set a man out that will war them friend over girl and we pre them friend over girl. So people, governor make film student them know say yo, never war your friend over woman no matter what the cost. So governor a make him student them know no pre no man over no woman.
Don't lose the head of a girl. No bust a mark, pen over a girl. No, drop a jail is another man a pen over your girl.
So people, governor a teach him student them say them nothing mad over no girl. Cause when you're mad over girl I want pre a man over girl and you drop a jail a different man I go have your girl. At that governor a teach film student them. So governor are giving him student them a good lesson. Cause people, governor want everybody to pass the girl's test. So viewers and subscribers
don't turn a lie on the girl fudgy. Watch it boom, don't spy on the girl tappy. And don't this a mother fin a girl. Everybody sitting that.
So people, governor a teach him student them say them not for diss them mother over no girl. And people, you have a lot of man out there with diss them mother over woman. So people, governor a make him student them know say yo, them not for peep on no woman, they not for watch the woman them. And you have a lot of man out there, them love do them things there. So people, governor make film student them know say yo, that is wrong.
And a fear girl, some juvenile claim them a girl is whole place and run through. No, one girl fuck up the whole crew. Make man a pass one.
So people, governor attack about some man out there who say them a girl is amount of woman with them have. And they meet a one girl and the girl of everybody in our crew. The girl want give everybody and that man have up him whole and friend them. Does mash up the crew. Him and him whole and friend them fall out. So governor make film student them know say yo, them not fi do them things there. And people governor give him student them a good lesson.
And a screw man I tell him friend him face him off he bust him gun through. I saw the man them weak to the flesh. Hello, dog should reach right after that.
So people, governor go on and I tell you how that man stay. Yo, him want bust off him friend face just for a woman. Them weak to the woman them and that governor I make we and know say yo, them weak to the flesh. Governor make film student them know say yo, you see if your friend a touch it, you can touch it also. And that governor I teach film student them. So governor no want no girl clown in him class.
That's true. Remember say pum pum cut in a two. And half of me and half of you. So don't worry your friend up on a girl. No.
So people, governor go on in the song and I say yo, the thing cut in a two. So you can knock it over there, so me can knock it over. Yeah, so governor say yo, we not go war with friend over no woman, none at all. So governor teach film student them say yo, don't war your friend them over no woman. You can knock it, your friend can knock it, me can knock it. So it two are we are knock it.
Don't lose the head of a girl. No bust a mark pen over a girl. No, drop a jail is another man a pen over your girl. And don't.
So people, governor make him student them know say yo, no lose no head over no girl. No make no woman out there mad no. And if you go fire Mark 10 just for have a woman, you are go drop a jail and a different man are go have your woman and at that you drop there so far. So governor make him student them know say yo, that no make no sense. So people make a continue.
Don't tell a lie on the girl fudgy. Watch it boom, don't spy on the girl tappy. And don't this some other fin a girl. Everybody sitting that.
So people you have a whole heap of man out there we love watch woman them. You have some man them can't make the woman go away and them not did it. And people governor make you know say yo, you know fi tap watch the girl them. So governor I send a message to all of the man them out there we love walk and watch the woman them, we love spy on the woman them. And uno governor attack about so uno fi tap watch woman them.
I no fear girl. Yo, Quantinium, butter years girl them love spend pan. What them boy they forget suspension. She call her next man when.
So viewers and subscribers, you have a set of man out there we love the butter ears girl them. Then we give the butter ears them anything. Them get a butter ears and wife up the butter ears them. So governor say yo, a them girl that them love spend pan. And you see any man in my class love wife up the butter ears them a go get suspension. Them can't turn in my class. And that governor I make we and know. So people make listen more.
See them tongue, rent you. Are you she a depend pan?
The boy a idiot, sir. He my detention.
Girl is class. Look, learn and excel.
So viewers and subscribers, so governor I say yo, you send time the female rent due, are you she a depend pan, you she want to pay the rent. So governor I say yo, after we and a girl clown, what kind of style that? Governor make you know say yo, a butter ears. So how we spend pan a butter ears, that governor I make we and know. Governor make you know say yo, a one and more for the butter ears them.
Girl thief, graduate, girl clone, get expelled. Any boy you say love, so like girl. I be a lie pan, girl pussy them tell. Man, I want.
So people, you see the man them all love chat as them knock a one girl, them come back come chat. I be a lie them tell on the front. And that governor I make we and know. Governor I make you know say yo, all when them not get it, them say them get it. I be a lie them tell. And that governor I make we and know in this song. And people, me like the song so far. People, the song it have a storyline and I like the storyline. And next to a man stand.
Woman and get him a shell. Now another man a broke in a dark like eggshell. Now hear me pretty because of Rachel. You must see mad boy.
So people you have some man will love preem friend them over girl. Them we kill them friend over just a one girl. Just a one front. Them we do them friend anything. Do them we just kill them friend. And that governor me could know say you never go pre-wipe my friend them not dear over no woman. That nah go happen none at all. And that governor me could know. Governor talk about the clown them out there.
Get this in your brain cell. Don't want your friend up on a girl. No, don't lose the head of a girl. No bust a mark 10 up on a girl.
So people more all of the governor fans them drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me how much grade this song out of 10? Let me know in the comment section. But people, this song is a very good song. Me like it. Me like the storyline. And people, I also like the video. The video it well put together. And we like how Governor give the comedian them strength and I put them in a music video.
No, Papa Jail is another man that bend over your gal. And don't tell a lie upon the gal. Vaji, watch it boom, don't spy upon the gal. Tap it.
So people, Governor make all of the man them out there know say yo, uno fi tap tell lie upon the woman them front. Uno fi stop war over the woman them. And that Governor a send a message to all of the man them out there where them heart soft to woman. And them man the Governor a send a message for in this song.